Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create now a online form for you when you're doing your data gathering. Excuse me. Okay. Now, I'm using now Microsoft Forms. So, we're going to work with new forms. Now, technically, there are a lot of questions that you could use. However, what I'm going to use now is a Likert scale. Now, technically, if you develop now, like what we did in this project, this is a research with work with financial literacy. So, the research question one is to what extent is entrepreneurial motivation of the student? And then we find out there are some sub-variables, and each sub-variables have three statements. So, how are we going to work that out in your research? So technically, what the technique or like a strategy that I do is that I randomize these items from 1 to 3 in every sub-variable. However, so that the respondent wouldn't have a clue or a hint that they're answering for the personal drive. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this one. So let's go back. So for example, this is the entrep identity. So that's the title of my instrument. However, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put now all the statement here. So once again, that's a very good one. So I'm going to do copy paste. So it's a self-assessment. So copying this one, working with this. So here, so that's now the statement. So I'll finish it going copying until on the third one. No, then enter and add in another statement. Add another statement. So I'm continuing until to the motivation, until to finish the risk tolerance. Mhm. So I believe that the risk is necessary in this one. Okay. Now at the horizontal, we are working with strongly disagree. Then I put disagree, and then there will be suggestion as well for neutral, and then this would be agree, and then this would be strongly agree. So for a while. So just to make it uniform. So that's it. So that's the first one. And then I can add now another set of Likert scale for the second research question. So this is now the Likert scale. So assuming that the second research question is one of the factors or entrepreneurial traits and indicator. So there it's sub-variable or creativity, leadership, and resilience. So again, I'm gonna work that out on that sense. So how they look like? So let's go with a preview. So this is how it looks like in a computer. Then there can be an option on when it is in a mobile or in a cell phone, so they could answer it that way. So that's how you create now an online form with a Likert scale and using Microsoft Forms. I hope this video would help you in forming your instrument, which is your survey instrument in your research. Have a great day, everyone.